In Bell Fountain's McDonald's area, the cicadas are loud in here. Crabapple tree. Oh, look at all this dead skins on the ground. I don't even see any live ones, but I can hear them. They just pulsate. I don't see any. I just hear them. Oh, there's two right there. We're back here at the McDonald's in Bell Fountain, Ohio. And you can hear them, and you can see them flying around way up there. I guess if you had this in your ear 24/7, you would probably go crazy. Not seeing one close enough. Later in the afternoon, Bell Fountain, Ohio. A different crab tree, a louder crab tree. 17-year periodical cicadas just pulsating. Shells underneath there. Oh, look at them all right here. I'm going to make some fly. And they go right back up in the tree. It's like upside down elephant. Ohio, checking out the cicadas after dark. Some of them are still singing, some of them are mating, some of them are dead, some of them are dying. Looks like they're all out of the ground. They're not doing the coming out of the ground thing like we saw 200 miles ago up in Pioneer, Ohio, and Ayersville, Ohio. There are robins singing all over the place around here. Here are sporadic cicadas. Got the noisy highway nearby. Cicadas are in most of these trees. To Sharronville, La Quinta. The lady at the counter said this is their second week and I got about 4 more weeks to go, which is about right. Here we are in the morning after the sporadic singing all night long.